Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. A man who wished to employ a safe driver asked each applicant how near he could drive a car to the edge of a cliff. One said a foot, a second said 6 inches. The third did not know. He had not tried. He got the job. Gentlemen, you will see from the enclosed statement of your account that settlement is very much overdue. When the shipment was sent to you, you told us that you would make payment within the usual 30 days. In fact, you stated when we opened the account with you that you planned to take advantage of the cash discount generally allowed for payment within 10 days. You have not observed the terms of your agreement, and we feel that we have deserved better treatment. We must point out that we cannot run a successful business unless the generally accepted rules regarding credit are observed. We want to treat you fairly, but we can not extend the time for payment more than we have already. We must ask you to accept the draft for the full amount due which we have drawn on you through your bank today. Very truly yours.